प्रक्रिया है उसको मुकम्मल किया जाए।
वर्ल्ड वाइड फंड फॉर नेचर इंडिया और रैकेट की जानिब से एक अनोखी कोशिश की गई है। उत्तराखंड में दरियाओं के एक ग्रुप को तैयार किया जाएगा जो अब तक इंसानों के रोजमर्रा जिंदगी से बहुत दूर है। हर जगह तहफ्फुज़ की बात हो रही है, लेकिन इस कोशिश में चंद दरियाओं को बचाने की कोशिश की जा रही है। मिशन पानी की एक खास रिपोर्ट।
Uttarakhand is in the headwaters of the Ganga. It's very important for us to maintain the river connectivity. The river has to flow from upstream to downstream. What is happening is that there are many interventions, human interventions, which are actually disrupting the connectivity of rivers. It alters the flows, it alters the flow of sediments, which is important for downstream river as well as fertility. It impacts the flow of energy. It impacts the flow of biota, which is essentially the microorganisms as well as the fish species downstream. Idea behind this free-flowing river atlas of Uttarakhand is to map those last remaining free-flowing rivers or connected rivers in Uttarakhand. So this is also an idea to spin the conversation little differently from restoring a river from after degradation to a scenario when we can actually protect the pristine rivers as is. It is supported by RECIT in its Ganga program. The objective of the free-flowing river atlas mapping is twofold. One, identify those last remaining free-flowing rivers or connected rivers. Second, raise the profile of these rivers and how critical it is for the ecosystem services of the rivers that we care about, and how we can come together to put together a plan and an action to conserve this for posterities. But the message that we are trying to also convey is that it makes absolute business sense to conserve and keep a pristine river rather than waiting for the degradation to happen and then come up with a rejuvenation plan. So can we actually do that, protect the pristine rivers upfront?
वक्त हुआ छोटे से वक्फे का। बने रही न्यूज़ 18 उर्दू के साथ।
इस न्यूज हेडलाइंस के प्रायोजक पेट सफा